There's a number. And how would it be if this number had a reader? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a number reader in Python. First thing we will do is a number library. This will represent our numbers. And now we can write our function of reader. First, we have to access our number of units and tens. After it, we write this as use our number library. And after writing the code that will always ask us for the number we will enter, it's done.